Page 14, Away in the Manger. 3/4 time. It's got one sharp, so it's either in the key of G major or E minor. Well, let's look at the last measure. You got this one? It's a G major chord. I'm guessing it's in the key of G major. Let's take the hands one hand at a time here. Got dotted rhythms, and we come in on a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 3. 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and then right there on those two G's, the first G's with the thumb, but the second's with the fourth, and there's no phrase break here, so it's quick. While you're holding it down, this happens quickly, I'll do it slow. While you're holding it down, you're going to scrunch up the hand, have the fourth finger there so you're ready to go. So I can switch between two fingers on a note quickly eventually. It takes a little practice. So it's not like I'm lifting up and moving. Between a phrase we do that, not here. You scrunch the hand up here because it's got to be as connected as you can get it. Second line, and 2, and don't forget the F sharp. Now reach up with the third finger for the G. Now you're between phrase, you can move up. And we do it again, the third line is the same as the first. And the second line, or the pickup, start with the last note in the third line. You're here, then reach up to the C, connect them, and then you can collapse once you're there. Then reach down with the thumb, and then collapse and third finger, or second finger, some finger, I don't know. So you move it around a little bit. You have to work those out, because this is all connected smooth and legato except between the phrases. Then the left hand, starting out with its chord, G, B, D, it's a G chord. And that's tied, all three notes are tied, so you're going to hold them all down for 2 measures, and then the C and the B. And then second line, it's here, F sharp C, and then next is GB, and reach the thumb up for the D, with a rest, make sure you play the rest, and then you do that. Last line, you're here, then here, so work the left hand out, connect the left hand as best you can except for the rest and all, and then try to put the hands together. What do you get? Now I want to caution you on these arrangements. Different arrangements are different, duh. So don't play it as you're accustomed to playing it or accustomed to hearing it. Play what's written in the music first. And then after you've learned it the way it's written, if you want to rearrange it, that's up to you. But play it accurately the way the music says to first. So here it's like in the rhythm in the first line. I'm accustomed to all quarter notes after that. That's what I'm used to, but they've got another dotted rhythm in there. So, gotta play what's written. I have an urge to play quarter notes because that's what I'm used to. So, and 2, 1 and 2. Lift up. Basically that way. It's not a fast piece, it's just a nice leisurely piece. You'll hear all kinds of recordings of this. And try and bring out the melody. That is the right hand. Play it louder than the other. That MP applies to the melody, the medium soft. You have to decide what moderately soft is. Depends on the situation and the piano in the room. You're outside in a big amphitheater, soft is a little louder than inside a living room like this. It depends on the situation. I like to do this slowly so you play along and make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. This is after you've taken the time to learn it. So I'm going to give us 2 counts. So go ahead and put your hands here. There we go. Ready and go. And